In a sunny park, a curious observer follows a rainbow trail and discovers how colors reveal hidden clues in nature. They learn that green from leaves comes from chlorophyll, while red and purple hues trace life cycles of flowers. A breeze carries seeds and pigments, showing how wind and sunlight shape colors across seasons. By mixing natural pigments with curiosity, they predict how changing light alters every shade around them. The day ends with a simple challenge to notice colors, connect clues, and protect the living canvas of our world.